Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make these delicious meatballs and tomato sauce dish. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start guys, the ground beef that I'm using today have a lean point of 92% lean and 8% fat. You know, the fat helps give ground beef a wonderful buttery flavor. Add the ground beef into the bowl. So next we're gonna go in with chopped onions. We are also adding in black pepper. We're gonna go in with garlic powder. We are also adding in thyme. We're gonna also add oregano, then season with salt and flour. Add some water, then mix with your hands until all of the ingredients are completely combined. Once the mixture is done, it's time to start shaping our meatballs. We're gonna shape them into an oval shape and place them on a parchment lined baking sheet. Now it's time to brown the meatballs. In a large skillet, heat about 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Place the meatballs, brown them on both sides for about 5 minutes total. After 2.5 minutes, flip the meatballs and brown them for another 2.5 minutes. The meatballs are browned nicely. Now it's time to add crushed tomatoes. Make sure guys you drain them. Next, we're gonna go in with roasted garlic pasta sauce. Then we're gonna pop this in the oven for 20 minutes. At 15 minutes mark, we're gonna pull out the meatballs out of the oven, sprinkle with Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese and dried basil. Then we're gonna put it back in the oven and let the cheese melt for 5 minutes. One thing I forgot to mention guys, if the meatballs tend to have a lot of oil while you're browning them, make sure that guys you drain that oil before you add the pasta sauce. I just pulled the meatballs out of the oven guys. It smells so good in here. Garnish with parsley and it's ready to be served. I served mine over fettuccine. Guys, the taste is amazing. The sauce is so good. You need to try it, guys. If you want the ingredients and measurements, make sure you check the description box. I have everything in there. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Boy's Kitchen. Consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. Also, leave a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.